In a powerful show of unity, Agha Rahat Hussain Al-Hussaini has urged the people of Gilgit-Baltistan to fully support the Ismaili community ahead of the highly anticipated visit of His Highness Prince Rahim Al-Hussaini, the Aga Khan. Speaking during his sermon, the religious leader called on locals to assist Ismaili followers traveling for Dida, the sacred spiritual gathering where community members meet and receive blessings from their imam. He emphasized the need to ensure essentials like water, transport, and electricity are readily available for the visitors. Additionally, Agha Rahat requested the government to announce school holidays in Gilgit during the visit to ease traffic, while appealing to the public to remain patient and cooperative if faced with road blockages or travel delays.